Hello friends, this video on fractions and decimals part 4 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now let us look at addition of fractions. How do we add fractions? Now, addition of fractions. This is something which you have learned in detail in your junior classes, but still we will have a quick recap that how do we add fractions. Now again, there can be two scenarios. First scenario could be adding like fractions, that is fractions with same denominators. Now in that case, your job is pretty simple. Let's say you have one fraction as 6 by 15 and you have another fraction, say 9 by 15. So how do you add them? You just need to do one thing. You need to add the numerators, because in the result also the denominator is going to be the same. So the numerator would be 6 plus 9, which is equal to 15 by 15, which is equal to 1. So this is how we add fractions with same denominators. What about fractions with different denominators? That is the unlike fractions. For example, you have one fraction 6 by 15 and the other fraction is 9 by 5. So they are different denominators. So here also we will follow the same approach. We are going to convert them into like fractions. How do we convert them into like fractions? Again, we will take LCM of 5 and 15. That is, you take the LCM of the two denominators. And what would be the LCM of 5 and 15? This is how we find LCM, right? 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15, and 3 ones are 3. So the LCM would be 5 into 3, which is equal to 15. So the LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. Right? So once you have taken the LCM, this LCM is going to be the denominator in the result. So this would be 15. Now what we do is 6 by 15. So 15 into 1 is 15. So therefore what we do is 6 into 1 plus 5 into 3 is 15. So in the numerator we do 9 into 3. So this is the approach that we follow. Very simple. First find out LCM. The LCM of the two denominators would be the denominator in the result. And in the numerator, you find out what is that number which when multiplied by the denominator of this fraction will give this LCM. And then you multiply that number with the numerator. In this case, 15 into 1 is equal to 15. So we multiplied 1 to 6. 5 into 3 is equal to 15. Therefore, we multiplied 3 to 9. So this would be 6 into 1 is 6 plus 9 into 3 is 27 divided by 15. So 27 plus 6 would be 33 divided by 15. So 33 by 15 would be the sum of these two fractions. So this is how we add fractions. Now let us look at subtraction of fractions. That also is done in a similar way. So when you have fractions with same denominators, like let's say 6 by 15 minus 9 by 15, in that case the denominator will remain the same. We just need to subtract the numerators, that is 6 minus 9, which is equal to minus 3 by 15. So this would be the result. And when you have fractions with different denominators like 6 by 15 and 9 by 5. So in this case again you find out the LCM of 5 and 15. So just now in the previous slide we found out that LCM of 5 and 15 is 15. So 6 by 15 minus 9 by 15. This is equal to, denominator would be 15. Now 15 into 1 is 15. Therefore 6 into 1 minus 5 into 3 is 15. So 9 into 3. So this would be 6 minus 27 divided by 15. So this would be equal to minus 21 divided by 15. So this is the result of subtraction. So for addition and subtraction, so one scenario when both the fractions have same denominator, it is pretty simple. That is, you directly add or subtract the numerators. But when you have different denominators, you take the LCM of both the denominators and then you proceed with the addition or subtraction. So basically this is how we add or subtract fractions. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.